Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. I myself, Devesh Kumar, your mathematics teacher. Today, I am going to discuss some theory of the topic exponents. First point is how to express a large number in a standard form. Let us see. Expressing large numbers in a standard form. A given number is said to be in a standard form if it can be expressed as k into 10 power of n, where k is a real number such that k in between 1 and 10 or equal to 1 and n is a positive integer. For example, we understand this point. Here take the 1234. Okay. Write in a standard form. Write in a standard form k into 10 k power n. Here k always in between 1 and 10 and equal to 1. So when this number write in between 1 and 10, so we put the decimal here. Means after 100 places. So here write 1.234. Okay. And this extra work we here denoted 10 power of 1, 2, 3. Write 3. Again dissolve this number, we get 1234. Take next example. 567. Here put the decimal after tens places because k denoted in between 1 and 10. So 567, we put here decimal, to be divided by 100, also write by here 100 is equal to 5.67 into 10 power of 2, 1 to the power 2. The standard form write k into 10 k power n. Here k is equal to 5.67 or n is equal to 2. And next example, 1357. We put the decimal after 3. That means 1.357 into 1, 2, 3. So here write power 3. This is in a standard form. Now let us discuss numbers write in expanded form. Numbers in expanded form according to place value chart. In right side start ones. Ones means 10 power of 0. 1 means 1. 10 power of 0 means 1. Tens means 10 ki power 1. Okay. Hundreds 10 power of 2. Thousands 10 ki power 3. 10,000 10 ki power 4. Lakh 10 ki power 5. 10 lakh 10 ki power 6. Now let us discuss some example. 4, 3, 5, 6, 7 means 43,567. Express in expanded form. To write this type. Here 4. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. The 4 has 10,000 place means 4 into 10 power of 4 plus 3,000 place 3 into 10 power of 3 plus 500 place 5 into 10 power of 2 plus 6 tens place 10 power 1 plus 7 ones place 10 power of 0. This is expanded form. Now let us discuss second example. 535 is equal to 5 into which places of 5? The hundreds. Here write 10 power of 2 plus 3 which places? The tens. The 10 ki power 1 plus 5 which place? Ones place. 5 into 10 power of 0. Is it clear? Okay. Now let us discuss some questions of exercise 5b. So let us start question number 1. In question number 1, express each of the following numbers in a standard form. A standard form means k into 10 power of n, where k is a real number and is in between 1 and 10. K is equal to or greater than 1 and less than 10. Or here n is equal to positive integer. So convert 538. Here write k in between 1 and 10 or equal to 1. So we put the 0 after 3. Put the decimal 5.38. Right here 10 power of 1 2. Here write 2. K in between 1 and 10. Here n is equal to positive integer. Next 9 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 means ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, arab, 10 arab, kharab. Means we put the decimal after 4 means 9.4. After decimal last 0 is not counted. Into 10 power of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. The power 11. Is it clear? Next 270659. Put the decimal after 7. So here write 2.70659 into 10 power of 1 2 3 4 5. After decimal 5 digit, here write power 5. Are you getting my points? Okay. Now let us discuss next question. In next question, diameter of earth given. Here write diameter of earth is equal to 1275600 meter given. Change into the standard form to be put after one digit means 1.2756 and last 0 is not weightage in decimal, so not right here. Into count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, the 10 power of 7 meter in a standard form. Next question, number of stars in a galaxy given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 given. Here put the decimal after one digit, the 1.000. After point 0 is not present here. Simply write 1 into 10. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. The 10 power of 11. Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, write in expanded form. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 40,000, 40 lakh, 7,185. Write in expanded form. The 4 which places the 10 lakh. So here put the 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus this 0 which places lakh. So 0 into 10 power of 5. Next 0 which place? Here we put the plus sign 10,000. So here write 10 power of 6 4 plus 7 which place? 1000 place 10 power of 3. 1 which place 100 plus 10 power of 2 plus 8 which place 10 power of 1 and 5 which place 1's place the 10 power of 0. Write this type. And next question given 58072994. 5 which place the ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh. The be put 6 power 6 plus next 8 which place the lakh 10 power of 5 0 which place 10,000 plus 7 which place 1000 plus 2 which place 100. Here put the 2 plus 9 which place 10 places and 4 which places 1's place. So write this type. So this is expanded form. Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, write in numerals. Here 6 into 10 के power 4, 3 into 10 power 3, 0 into 10 power of 2, 7 into 10 power 1, 8 into 10 के power 0. So write in numerals. So here 6. Which places? The 10,000, 3,000, 0, 100 and 7, 1's place and 8. Okay. Next. 10 power of 6 means 10 lakh 9. Here 7 lakh, right here. 0 which place 10,000, right 0. In 1,000 place 3. 100 place here given 4. 10's place 6 or 1's place 2. Convert into numerals. Lastly, I hope you will complete the exercise 5B with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.